Page 87, Prelude number 10. This is in the key of C sharp minor, 4 sharps, minor. Make sure you can do the scale on C sharp minor, 4 octaves up and down, parallel, contrary motion, the whole bit. Just know it. So let's talk about this 2/4 time, starting out here. Make sure you got these notes. Just work out the notes first. I got these. Next measure. I do it 2, 3, 5. And the 2, 3, 5, and then cross over to the G sharp. And you repeat that. Then the second ending, you're here. You can do this if you don't want to do that. And then a C sharp at the end. Well, that's pretty much it. So 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and. Sort of the idea of it. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 1 and. This is the feel. Moderately soft to somewhere in the soft side. And these slurs, these are slurs because these aren't triplets. Lift up between you. And they've even got a staccato on the. And the here, you got staccatos there, so have fun with that. Scherzato speed, it's sort of a prankish feel, a jokish feel. To me, it's more like an allegrette. It's the overall feel of it, not necessarily how fast the pulse goes. So how fast, just not real fast, just have fun. They've added pedal there on the 2 endings. I don't agree with that at all. I would prefer you not use pedal in this piece at all, because I don't see the pedal adds anything worthwhile. It adds the overtones at the end. Why? I don't know, but that's what they put in. Because of how fast the notes are going by, you pretty much have to play the pedal with the note. You don't have time to lag it or to play it after the note. So in the first ending when you play it, as you play the G sharp, push the pedal down right then. Hold it down, lift it up before you repeat. We want silence. And then the last measure, again, push it down with the C sharp. You lose the staccato. But they want the pedal, so that's what it is. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's better without pedal, but you decide how you want to. These pedalings are just suggestions anyway. Don't pedal any other part, because then you really lose it. I mean, you're going to have to lift up on each staccato note if you pedal it. That's what I would do if I'm going to pedal it. I'd pedal all the way through it rather than just at the ending. You experiment on the sound you like. You always learn it without pedal first so that you can know exactly the effect the pedal is having when you add it.